we are going back to Daytona Beach. We're also gonna get some reactions with the Mustang. I know you guys absolutely love those videos because those videos end up doing so well. So I'm gonna give you guys what you guys want. So we got Aaron in front of us, we got Adil behind us in his Gen 3 10R80 with Corsa Extremes. Somebody's in trouble. Now in Daytona Beach officially. We still got some trucks. It is raining a little bit. Somebody got pulled over. Rip. See, I can't wrap my head around that. I know dang well he was struggling to see. That's why his head was all the way up here. Don't get it. 3 valve. That rep is insane. being obnoxious, we are going to Ace Cafe as we speak.
Mustang next to the Miata looks so funny.
Right?
That thing is insanely wide.
Thank you, man.
It's nice. I feel like I just saw this car with the front bumper on it.
Yeah, I had a front bumper on it.
Where'd it go? I just seen it with the bumper on it.
Oh, no, I haven't had the bumper on for like 4 months. Probably.
Oh, okay. Someone has the same kit, I think.
Yeah, there's a with red wheels.
Yeah. I don't like Mustangs, but with this wide kit, it's nice, man.
Yeah, no, I like it. Well, we got some carnage. We got a Toyota Supra 2020 what?
Yeah, 2021.
Sheesh. I do like that spoiler. But the whole rear end, the diffuser looked like it literally popped up and it's like touching the license plate. I don't know if that's normal.
Dude, look at the quarter pin over here.
Oh, look at the light, dude. It's like poking out. Oh yeah, my gosh.
He said he wrapped it around a pole, so.
Wow. He definitely spun and hit the rear.
The rear, yeah.
Dude, flat tire. The light's still on. Dude, that's so messed up, bro. That's totaled. It has to be.
Yeah, that's total, dude.
Like, look at how deep that goes in.
That's a fat check. Yep.
That you could just tell that's a pole, like right there.
The frame is just bent right there. Radiator's frame.
Coolant was probably spraying everywhere.
Radiator.
Oh my gosh.
AC compressor.
Let's see what the inside looks like. Jeez, it like wrinkled up the entire hood. That's insane. Airbags deployed. Oh, he got like a ticket or something up there.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, they see the guy that was here told him that he'd be fine parked here.
Oh, that's so messed up.
The park officer Lou said like, oh, don't worry, like you don't have to pay for it, like the car will be fine, and he's got a parking ticket. That's like extra fucked up.
Knock him down while he's already down. Kick him while he's down. Oh my gosh, dude, look at the exhaust. Look at the exhaust, bro.
Dude,
it's all the way down there. It looked like he got grass, like he like went in some dirt or something.
He said that this spoiler was like $3,000.
$3 grand?
3 grand. Thought.
Oh, and it's messed up. No.
Yep, there's no getting that spoiler back.
Honestly, it might be fixable. Yeah, it's not cracked or anything, so it should be fine. Oh, it might be actually, it is cracked right there. Damn, man. Well, this is the first wrecked Supra I've seen ever in my life.
It's the first MK5 I've ever seen that's wrecked like this.
Actually, this might be the nastiest wreck I've ever seen. Airbags deployed. Everything. Oh my gosh.